Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by. My name is Bino. In this video, we go through the following question which is based on number series. And question 3.1, without using a calculator, we determine the value of the sum of 1 divided by y minus 2 from y is equals to 3 up until 10 minus the sum of 1 divided by y minus 1 from y is equals to 3 up until y is also equals to 10. We approach this question manually, where we will substitute first y is equals to 3 where there is a y, and we will substitute y up until y is equals to 10. Let's determine first the first sum, and then we'll determine the other one later. So we have the sum from y is equals to 3 up until y is equals to 10. We focus first on the first summation, so where we have 1 divided by y minus 2. So we just go right ahead and substitute y is equals to 3 where there is a y. So this will be equals to 1 divided by 3 in the place of the y minus 2 plus the next number after y is 4. So in the place of the y we substitute 4 minus the 2 plus we have to substitute the y up until y is 10. So for now, where there is a y, we substitute 5 minus 2, and where there is a y, now we substitute 6. We have the minus 2, and where there is a y, we substitute 7, and we have the negative 2, the minus 2, and where there is a y, we substitute 8 and minus the 2. So we have to now determine the 9 and the 10. So we have the 1 divided by 9 in the place of the y minus the 2 plus 1 divided by 10 minus 2. So finally we arrived at 10. And this will simplify to, we have the 1 divided by 3 minus 2, and 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So we have 1 in the denominator, and the second one we have 1 divided by 4 minus 2, and in the denominator 4 minus 2 is equals to 2 plus 1 divided by 5 minus 2, and 5 minus 2 is equals to 3 plus 1 divided by 6 minus 2, and 6 minus 2 is equals to 4 plus 1 divided by the 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2 which is 5, plus 1 divided by 8 minus 2, and 8 minus 2 is equals to 6, plus 1 divided by 9 minus 2 which is 7, plus 1 divided by the 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. Or if you want, you can just, on the first step, you can just sum everything up without simplifying to the second step. So for the second part, for the second summation, so let's write this properly. So we'll have the sum. Let's just write it here and we will copy it later. So we have the sum from y is equals to 3 up until y is equals to 10, and this is the sum of the second part, the second summation, 1 divided by y minus 1. So let's work out this summation. Where there is a y, we start by substituting 3. So we have 1 divided by 3 minus 1, and the second number after 3 is 4. Where there is y, we now substitute 4. We have the minus 1 plus 1 divided by 5 in the place of the y, minus 1 plus 1 divided by 6 in the place of the y, minus 1 plus 1 divided by 7 in the place of the y, minus 1 plus 1 divided by 8 in the place of the y, minus 1 plus 1 divided by 9 in the place of the y, minus 1 plus finally we have 1 divided by 10 in the place of the y, minus 1. You can just use your calculator to sum up everything here, or you can simplify and have the following steps. So 1 divided by 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3, plus 1 divided by 5 minus 1, which is 4, plus 1 divided by 6 minus 1, which is 5, plus 1 divided by 7 minus 1, which is 6, plus 1 divided by 8 minus 1, which is 7, plus 1 divided by 9 minus 1, which is 8. Finally, we have the 1 divided by 10 minus 1, which is 9. Remember, we had to subtract these two. We actually have a negative sign in between the two sums. So we minus the sum of 1 divided by y minus 2 with the sum of 1 divided by y minus 1. So this one should come last. So we have the following, and we must minus them because there was a minus in between. And if we minus the half, and that half will minus each other out, and the 1 over 3 and that 1 over 3 will minus each other out, and the 1 over 4 and the 1 over 4 and the 1 over 5 and the 1 over 5, the 1 over 6 and that 1 over 6 will cancel out, 1 over 7 and 1 over 7 will cancel out, even the 1 over 8 and the 1 over 8, such that we will be left with the 1 over 1 and the 1 over 9. So we minus the following summations. So we had this sum minus that sum. Remember, we had a negative in the middle originally, so that's why we minused, and we were left with the 1 over 1, which is just 1, and the 1 over 9 will be affected by the negative, and 1 minus 1 over 9 will be equals to 8 divided by 9. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe, like and share the channel if you find this content useful.